Hey everyone, I've got a quick tutorial for you. I've got a TikTok video here that I made a mistake on that I want to delete. So I'll show you how to delete it. So here in TikTok, go ahead and tap on your profile in the bottom right hand corner so you see all of your videos. We're going to open up the video that we want to delete. You can just tap on it.
Pretty.
And then what we need to do, off to the right here, you're going to see three little dots. You can go ahead and tap on that. And this is where you can find the delete option. So down at the bottom, you'll see here where it says analytics, save video, add story, etc. If you actually slide this over, you can slide all the way over to the right-hand side and you'll see it says delete there now. You can go ahead and tap delete. So it's going to ask you to confirm here. It does say restore post within 30 days from Activity Center in the settings. We'll go ahead and hit delete if we want to delete that. And it's going to delete it for us. And really it's that simple to delete videos here in TikTok.